Michelle and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this vlog that you guys are going to be watching, I'm taking you guys along with me as I go to Jamaica for the first time. Right now I'm on the way to the airport. Well, not necessarily the airport. I'm on the way to a shuttle service, and basically I'm parking my car there, and my car is going to be at a parking lot, and it's going to be security watched over while I'm on my trip because nobody can drop me off. So I gotta pay to get it. I gotta pay to have my car sitting there, and then a shuttle service comes, take me to the airport. When I go to the airport, a shuttle service comes and they take me to the airport, and then when I get back from my trip, the shuttle service picks me up from the airport. This is my first time riding a plane. This is my first time going out the country. And I've been out the country before, but I was like on a cruise. Like, I've never been out the country. This is my first time doing these things by myself also. Like, I'm by myself right now. I'm nervous, but at the same time, I just feel like it's a first time for everything. And then I'm doing it by myself. So it's just like, if anything, I'm gonna feel more confident the next time I do it, just because I did it by myself, if you know what I mean. Y'all, why they cars on this side? Like, that's fucking with my head, because when we start driving, we drive on the opposite side of the road. No way.
What? Money?
Girl, just tell me what each one means.
So this is like, it says 100, but it's worth $1. So it's worth...
Let me feel it. Why it look like plastic?
It looks like American money tonight.
No, like, but it don't feel like paper. It do. Never mind.
This is $50.
It feel like plastic and paper.
Why do I look like Martin Luther King?
Cool, why it do for real? No, not really.
See, I'm glad they got black people. Why we got white people on our money? Anyway, this is worth $50. This is worth 50 cents.
They have, really?
Yeah, it's 50 cents.
50 cents?
But our money is worth more than their money.
But at the same time, didn't you say when we spend money, we're basically still spending the same amount?
It depends on what you're buying. Because they be jugging. Like, that's why you have to have a Jamaican with you.
So here's the first yard.
Yeah, yard.
Yard. Period. Patio. Living room. This is the first one. My first house. Okay, little vibe. Yeah, so this was the first Airbnb that my sister stayed out the first week that she was here. She's here for 2 weeks. I'm here the last week with her. But the second one we got, we check in tomorrow at 1 p.m. Oh, oops. Right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's my room for tonight. It's cold as hell in here. You don't gotta have the fan on. Me. Let's see what type of view I got. A house. But the second house that we got is a vibe. I can't wait to show y'all. Okay, little closet. Okay. I like it, I like it. Where the bathroom at? Okay, bathroom. There's a light. Up. Okay, light. So I just did a soft glam on my face. So right now I'm getting dressed. Well, I'm about to get dressed. I don't know what they're doing, but right now I'm just trying to find a good lighting. That's all. Hold on. It's over here. So right now I'm about to get dressed. We're going to a restaurant to go eat. I officially got out the airport at 5 o'clock. So like, the day was practically gone, which is cool though. It's just a Monday. But we about to go eat. So I'm about to put on a little fit.
What's up, Kyla? Oh, I thought you was on the phone.
So I'm about to go put on a little fit.
Never mind.
And we got a jumpsuit. We got a little jumpsuit, you know, giving the girls no shoulders, giving the girls chest, giving the girls back. So then I'm gonna put on Stop. Bitch, I'm in Jamaica. Bitch, I'm in Jamaica. Okay. I'm gonna just show you the outfit when it's on. Yeah. So it's 9:30. Everybody's kind of just now waking up from yesterday. I just woke up this morning and I just walked around the house that I'm in and I'm just like, this shit is beautiful. This is beautiful. Like, this is just beautiful. The second Airbnb is a vibe. We're getting a little tour. You said what? Yeah. Again, y'all, this is our Airbnb. Like, we don't need no resort, okay? Period. So this whole restaurant is part of our house. It's like in the same gated community, so we can eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner in the ocean or the lake, river, whatever this is called. It's over there. On the way to dinner reservation. Is it, what does the dinner? Lunch reservations. We're on the way to lunch reservations. And I think we're sitting at a restaurant on the water, which is going to be so pretty. Girl.
Oh my God.
Girl.
Oh Lord.
Sit down so we can balance it out. This is so cute. We're on a little small ferry boat just to go over here and eat. So I just spent like probably $200 on food in 2 days out here. So we're at a grocery store because we're gonna go get some food, you know, get some groceries for the house. So we're not just spending a bag every time we go out and eat. At the same time, I heard the grocery store, like food in Jamaica is expensive regardless. Like my sister came to the grocery store earlier and she said cereal was like $10. Why is cereal $10? She said like a bag of shrimp was $20. Why is shrimp $20? So we finna go in here. I'm finna pick up some stuff And I'm gonna take you guys along with me. What was 12? That?
Yeah.
In America, that's $4, $5.
Yeah. They got Lysol.
I'm getting my own cereal. Oh, that's so good. Yes, it's fucking $6.
You get a box, I get a box.
What you mean? Almond milk.
How many we getting?
2. You can buy your own. I buy my own. Get the vanilla.
Thank you.
Yeah. It's really small for $6 because the American ones are bigger than this. Y'all, we done sat here and sang music, drunk some. What you mean? What's that drink? What's that drink? Okay, we done drunk some rum punch, sing like 25 songs. Now we finna go night swimming. Okay, period. We finna go night swimming.
What pool is connected to the lake?
Like this, I keep showing the same area, but it's just so beautiful. Like, first off, your girl has never walked a deck before. I see this in movies, but it's not real life to me. It's a little boat. Our house looks so hard from just the motherfucking patio. Yeah, bitch, I'm in Jamaica. Wagwan. We're about to go do some jet skis. Let me stay still. We're about to go do some jet skis. And I got my lace melt band on because who lace gonna be lifting? Who's? Not mine. So I got my lace melt band on, and the hair is giving. Oh, hold on. The hair is giving what it needs to be. Just the jet skis. My mouth got salt water all over it. Like my mouth is stinking, my face is stinking, my skin is stinking just because of the salt water. But the jet skis were fun. So yeah, we just came back from jet skis and we're tired, but we are now about to go get, put it back over here. We are now about to go get dinner. And this is the fit. And y'all, literally my lace is still intact because of my melt band. Like, my lace is still intact. Today we're going to Blue Hole. I'm not really sure what we do there. I have an idea, but I don't really know. Let's cut through the pool. I have an idea, but we're going there. It's about an hour and a half away from where we're at. So we gotta make that drive, but that's what we're supposed to be doing all day. So cover up with my Christian Dior's, period. I feel like I haven't been vlogging as much, but then again, I don't know how much footage I have. So I guess we'll see when we all put it together. One thing about it, Jamaica got great water. Like all their water is spring water, alkaline water, fresh water, and it tastes so different. y'all, this is a high school. And they said about 200 kids go here. And it's for 7th through 12th graders. This is where they do the mud bath. My sister is throwing a dinner party for her boyfriend, so that's what we're getting ready for. It's going to be at the house. So right now we have party decorations being set up and a chef cooking. So that's what Friday today is going to consist of. And it's almost really 5 o'clock, so I started this vlog late, but that's all we were doing today. So good morning. Today's Saturday. Today's Saturday, and today we are doing ATVs and rafting. But before we start our excursions, we have to do our COVID test to get back to the US. So I'm doing my makeup because I want to take some pictures for rafting. So I need to do that now. And I'm gonna let you guys watch my natural glam and fast speed though. And I'm done. About to do ATVs. Y'all, this has been through 8 days, but we're not gonna pay attention to that. But this is my last day in Jamaica. Today's Sunday, my last full day. We're gonna get some food. So we just made it to Usain Bolt's restaurant. Oh, should I do 2 pieces in the front? It's just a little something. I'm about to get dressed. Don't mind my bed. I'm about to get dressed. So now we're about to go to the beach. Give y'all the last little vibes of Jamaica. Because we leave tomorrow. We're leaving. I'm gonna miss this view.